this is the checks that Uncle Aaron teaching me bought me. And then they also bought me this cartoon to make. And then I'm thankful for it. Thank you, Uncle Bunty. And then now we are gonna do this race. I'm gonna push them because I'm a control laminator. I would say Stone because it's by the wind because he's gonna go right and right. He kind of wets a little bit. Except I give him a little head start since he doesn't want to. Ready, set, and go. Set. Come on.
Yay!
Now I'm gonna make some bags. Ready, set, Dad wants to slide out after that one.
Yay!
He beat that race.
Do you love your new trucks?
Yeah, I love my new truck. See, it's because watch how the axle moves. See how they do that?
Mm-hmm.
With the sun.
That's awesome.
That too. And then now I'm gonna say that. Then see how he has that and the battery charger in it. And then Terminator, I still got him. See, like he has a yellow wheel one time and a gray wheel one time. And then now I'm gonna do freestyle.
No, baby, it's all over right now. So thank you.
Thank you.